Hello students of class 12th, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are revising advertisement writing. As of now we have discussed various type of advertisements. We have discussed advertisement which comes under situation vacant, situation vacant. We discussed the advertisement which comes under this heading of situation wanted. Then for sale, purchase, to let. We also discussed lost and found advertisements which comes under lost and found heading. We also discussed the advertisement which comes under the heading missing person or pet. Okay dear students, so all these types of advertisement we have discussed. Now today we are going to discuss the remaining types of advertisements which are in your syllabus regarding educational courses and matrimonial. So let us discuss the remaining types of advertisements which comes under different headings. Okay, so advertisements which come under these headings we have discussed. Today we are going to discuss some more types of advertisements which come under different headings. Okay, so let us begin. Educational language course, hobby classes, advertisements which are given for these purposes. Let us discuss points to remember. So first of all, dear students, name of the institution must be there, courses offered, duration, eligibility condition, facilities and fee structure, last date for registration, contact address and phone number. Okay dear students, so your advertisement which comes under these headings, which comes for these purposes, which serves these purpose, educational purpose. Okay, in which language courses, hobby classes are there, dance classes are there. So you need to write the name of institution, courses offered, duration, eligibility condition, facilities and fee structure, last date for registration, contact address and phone number. Now let us go through the example for the same. Yuva Geet Geeta, your institute has started classes for all foreign languages, giving all relevant details, draft an advertisement for a local newspaper. So first of all, you need to write the name of the institution issuing this advertisement. Jeevan Institute of Foreign Languages, JIFL, announces commencement of courses in English, German, French and Italian. So first of all, you will have to discuss, mention what type of courses you are going to start. Okay, then duration, then you have to give the duration and fee and other details. So duration of 3 months. Fresh batches start from 1st May 2019 incentives for early births. So you are also those who will be taking the admission first. You will also giving them preferences, incentives. Eligibility 10+2, computer aided learning, apply latest by 28th April 2019 to Geeta. Okay, so if you are a girl you should write Geet, if you are a boy you should write Geet, if girl you should write Geeta. JIFL Wazirpur, Delhi. Okay dear students, now let us go through some unsolved questions for practice. Test your skills. You have planned to organize hobby classes for children of age group 5 to 15 years in your play school during summer vacation. Draft an advertisement to be published in a local daily giving all details. Second one, you are activity in charge of your school. Your school has decided to conduct a 3-week summer camp for class 6 students to engage them in productive activity during vacations. Draft an advertisement to be published in local daily giving full details. Delhi Institute of Food Technology offers courses in food safety and quality management of food processing. As the principal of the institute, draft an advertisement to be published in classified column of local daily in 50 words. So these are the questions for practice which you must practice to boost yourself. Now, matrimonial. Points to remember while writing an advertisement under this column, matrimonial. So these days for this types of advertisement there are so many websites also you can find, like shadi.com, and there are so many websites are there. Matrimonial. Points to remember: begin with wanted, alliance or proposal invited. Physical description: age, height, complexion, build, slim, tall must be mentioned. Academic, professional qualifications, job status, salary, etc. Caste, subcaste, religion, etc. must be mentioned. Contact and post box number. Word limit is 50 as we all know. So now let us go through the solved example to understand it better. After completing his MBA from a reputed university, your son is working as a manager in an MNC in Noida. He wants to marry a beautiful, educated and well-cultured girl. Draft an advertisement for the matrimonial columns for a national newspaper. Okay dear students, so you are looking for a bride for your son. Suppose you are father of a son or mother of a son, okay, and after completing his MBA from a reputed university, your son is working as a manager in an MNC, Noida. He wants to marry a beautiful, educated, well-cultured girl. Draft an advertisement for the matrimonial columns of a national newspaper. So first of all, you are going to put the heading. It comes under this heading, bride wanted, as you are looking for a bride. So bride wanted. Proposals are invited for 26 years, 5 feet 8 inch tall, handsome, fair complexion, MBA, MNC, executive, settled in Noida, from the daughter of reputed and cultured family. So you are the girl which you want should be daughter of reputed and cultured family, and the girl, the height of the girl should be 5 feet 5 inch of 24 years. Science graduate, and she should be a science graduate. Computer savvy, she also should be a computer savvy, will be suitable match. Okay. Caste, no bar, there is no restriction of caste. Contact at post box number 678, Times of India, New Delhi 110001. Okay, dear students. So first of all, you will have to mention the details from your side. Then you will have to mention the required detail, required specification, required qualities which you want in the girl. Okay, if you are advertising it from a girl side, then you will write the requirement, personality, which type of boy you want, education, all these things about a boy. So it is bride wanted. So here advertisement is given from boy's side for a bride. Now questions here for practice. Test your skills. A retired army officer is looking for a suitable match for his smart, convent educated son. Write a matrimonial advertisement for a local newspaper. Draft an advertisement for the matrimonial column of a newspaper for your brother who is physically handicapped and working as an IAS officer with Government of India. Now next example for groom wanted. This is from girl side for a groom. Mr. S.K. Jain is looking for a suitable match in Delhi for his daughter aged 23 years. So Mrs. S.K. Jain is looking for a groom for his daughter in Delhi. Draft a matrimonial advertisement for him to be published in local Delhi, inventing all details. So we are going to begin with groom wanted. Compatible match for a pretty sharp featured 23 years 165 centimeter convent educational graduate Jain girl of fair complexion. Contact SK Jain. Okay, you have given all the details here. The height of the age of the girl is 23 years. The height of the girl is 165 centimeter. Convent educational, and she is graduate of Jain girl. Okay, and she is pretty sharp featured. So these are the qualities. These are the about personality, education you have discussed, and you are looking for a suitable match for this girl. Okay, you can add more as you have just seen what type of boy can be given a preference. So you can also mention these things. Now, questions for practice, test your skills. Draft an advertisement for the matrimonial column of a newspaper for your sister who is working in an MNC as a manager. Second one, draft a matrimonial for your younger sister who is 25 years old, a software engineer with an MBA degree. Caste and religion are no constraints. Okay, so caste and religion doesn't matter. Now, dear students, we are going to discuss non-classified display advertisement. So this is all about classified advertisement. Now we are going to discuss non-classified advertisement. Designed for display purpose, requires more space, more expensive in terms of advertising cost. It is costlier than classified advertisements. Visually attractive with the varying font size and shape. Language colorful, lucid, having catchy slogans. Punchlines, witty expressions and picture or sketches. Has name of the company, institute, organizers, etc. Also has a detail of the product, event, educational course, etc. Can reflect special offers of discount, etc. So, dear students, a non-classified or display advertisements are of these types. Okay, so they may have these features. Example, you are working for an advertising agency. Most of such types of advertisements are displayed by advertising agency. So you are working for an advertising agency. Draft an attractive advertisement for a summer camp to be published in a local daily. Invent necessary details. Summer camp at Golden Place School, Vasant Vihar, Delhi, Kent. Call. So mobile number you will have to mention here. Contact number. Admission free for kids scoring above 90%. Limited seats. Learn while you play. Play while you play. Okay. So this is non-classified advertisement. Now these are the examples. These are the questions for practice. Messrs. Kirori Mal and Son, Sarita Vihar, New Delhi, have manufactured a new pressure cooker. Draft a very attractive advertisement for the promotion of the product on behalf of the company. You are the director of School of English Language. Draft a display advertisement for the same to be published in local Delhi. Rakshak and Institute trains security guards and gives placement with reputed companies and societies. Draft a display advertisement giving details about the training program fee structure and placement opportunities to be published under display advertisement column of newspaper. You have opened a big shop for all kinds of organic products. Draft a display advertisement to be published in newspaper to promote your products. You are Manisha, the owner of the shop. So dear students, this is all about advertisement writing. We have discussed all types of advertisement, classified, non-classified. Okay. Now we are going to discuss notice writing. Okay. Notice writing is also very important for you. So already you have gone through all these things. This time just we are revising the things and try to know them deeply. So the more you practice, the better you will write. Okay, the more you practice, the better you can write. So this earlier it was of 4 marks, but this year it is going to be of 3 marks. So 1 mark for format, 1 mark for content, and 1 mark for expression. Okay. So what is a notice? We all know. A notice is a medium to convey a message to masses together at the same time. It should be simple, precise, clear, and comprehensive. Where used? School, organizations, government boards. Why used? To inform about various events, issue and public instruction. Distribution of marks, format, name of the institution, notice, title, date, writer's name with designation. This is for 1 mark. Then content, what, when, where, who, how. Okay, contact detail. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4. And including this there are 5 W's which we must remember. In notice writing, 5 W's are very important which we must remember. Okay. For expression should be overall organization, accuracy, your whatever you are going to write, as it's a formal information, so it should be organized. Accuracy and fluency, you will get 1 mark. How to write a notice? What are the important points which we must remember? Begin with the name. Begin with the name of the issuing authority, institution, organization, school, society. Write notice in capital. Then date on the left hand side. Mention purpose of notice and date, time, venue, duration of program, process of chief guest if any, other details, relevant instructions, name of the designation of the person issuing the notice, notice about school activities or event, write in a box, word limit 50. So these are some important points which you must remember while writing a notice. Let us go through the format of a notice. As we all are aware, we already have gone through it. Format of the notice. First of all, you should write the name of issuing authority, school, organization, whatever it is. Okay. First of all, the name of issuing authority should be written. You had better to write it in capital, but it is not mandatory. You can write the first letter capital and rest small. Then notice, the word notice must be in capital. Okay. Then title, heading, subject, about what your notice is. Okay, then date, main body of the notice, content, event, what is the event you are going to inform about, when it is going to be conducted, as we have discussed 5 W's, timing, what is the timing, what is the venue, who is the chief guest, other details and relevant instructions, then your name, designation. Okay, now let us go through the solved example. You are Rachit Rachna, in charge of Cultural Club of New Public School, Delhi. Draft a notice for your school notice board inviting students to participate in the inter-house dance competition which is going to be organized in your school. Now let us go through the answer. First of all, as you know that you will have to write the name of the school, the institution issuing the notice. So New Public School, Delhi. The word notice should be in capital. Inter-house dance competition, your subject, title, heading of the notice, then date, and you had better write date in this format. It is 16th October today, so you should write 16 October. Sorry, let me write here once again. 16 October 2020. Okay, you had better to write the date in this format, and in the format which it is written here is also correct. All the students are hereby informed that an inter-house dance competition is going to be organized in our school on 15th December 2019 at 10 a.m. in the school auditorium. The winners will be selected for zonal level. Interested students may give their names to the undersigned for participation at least by 5th June 2018. Rachit Rachna, in charge, Cultural Club. Okay, first you have to sign here, Rachit. Okay, then you have to write full name here, then your designation. Let us go through more examples of notice writing. Draft a suitable notice for your school notice board informing students about the magic show organized by your school in aid of victims of earthquake in Nepal. You are Prachi Pancham, captain of the school DPS Gurgaon. Okay. First name of the institution issuing the notice. So DPS Gurgaon, Haryana. Then the word notice should be in capital. Then date, magic show. This is to notify that our school proposed to organize a magic show on 30th December 2019 in the school premises for the aid of earthquake victims in Bihar at 11 a.m. All the students are requested to contribute wholeheartedly and buy magic show tickets. The cost of the ticket is ₹100 per person. The collected fund will be sent to the Prime Minister Relief Fund immediately. Tickets are available at the school counter. Donate for the noble cause. For further details, contact the undersigned. So head boy or head girl, then your signature, and your name is first your signature, name, then your designation should be there. Two things are missing here, okay, which you must include. Okay, dear students, so this is all about advertisement writing and notice writing. We will be continuing notice writing also in the next class. We will discuss next type of notices, more notices, and then will be questions for practice. Okay, dear students, we will also be discussing the public notices. Okay, so the various types of notices are to be discussed in next class. So the exercises which are given, dear students, you must go through them and must practice. So thank you, students, for watching this video. See you tomorrow with the same topic. We will be continuing with the same topic in the next video also. So I hope you have performed well in your RT1 of English, and you will keep practicing the things till your board examination. So thank you once again for watching this video. See you tomorrow.